Hello, my name is Raven. Today I will share 5 social media FAQs and their answers. Number 1. Which social media platforms should my brand be present? Have in mind that some channels are concentrated on B2B, while others take a B2C strategy. The choice depends on the product or service that you're presenting, as well as on your following. FAQ number 2. What should I post? It depends on what your business does and what your demographic is. Each social media floor is enticing in its own way, but practice the wrong type of content on the wrong following and you'll be named unprofessional. FAQ number 3. Is it okay to post the same content on each platform every day? Or should we post different updates on different sites? People follow your brand on various platforms for various reasons. You can't assume to have exactly the same conversation across all floors. That being said, joining the audience is something you can gain through storytelling. FAQ number 4. How do I get more followers? You can direct engagement by producing high-quality content to the right people at the right time. It can also manage your followers to share it with their family members, friends or known contacts. FAQ number 5. How to handle negative comments on social media. First of all, you can choose to address your customers' interests in an effort to regain their trust. Bear in mind that in some cases there can be no recall if you're not doing so. Even satisfied customers will start questioning your customer service criteria if they notice such approaches. Secondly, you can turn to the content controlling solutions provided by social media platforms. Facebook and Instagram are only 2 of the social networks that give comment filtering options. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to RTR Supports Limited YouTube channel. And also for more information you can visit our website rtrsupportslimited.com.